Hey everybody, welcome to my jewelry design course for Blender 4.2. What I'm going to be teaching you throughout this course is how to design jewelry using Blender, a free 3D CAD program with some free add-ons that you could learn like I did to design wonderful jewelry items customized for your customers. It's great for making one-of-a-kind items, getting them ready for 3D printing and casting, and we'll be covering a lot of 3D printing with castable resins as well as showing some of the casted pieces when we're done. I hope to help you learn in this course how to become efficient in jewelry design, why we do certain things, the reasons behind it from a repair. My experience comes from almost 30 years in the industry as a bench jeweler. And what I want to do is teach all of you why we do certain things the way we do in jewelry design, limitations for 3D printing and casting, things that you need to be concerned of when you're designing in CAD, because that's going to affect every piece you decide to design. Head on over to my channel page where you'll see a join button. You can join the membership for YouTube and get access to all these lessons during this course. There is a small fee associated with that. It is $9.99 per month, and you'll be learning a great deal of information. Of course, you can cancel at any time. I hope you enjoy these lessons. I hope this course helps you. And if you have any questions after watching the videos, please make sure you leave them in the comment section below, and that way I can go ahead and do some question and answer videos for you guys. Thanks, and get ready to start learning.